Cue the sparkles! Cue the music! Princess Presto to the rescue! With my magic spelling wand, we could spell rain, and then rain would appear, and then it would rain, and rain is water, which we need for gardens to grow and bath times and... Okay, let's just spell rain. Will you spell rain with me? Splendid! Ready? One's up. Spell with me. What letter makes the sound R? R. We need the letter R. Write a lowercase r with me. Really nice R. Now, the next two letters make the sound A in rain. It's the letters A and I. Let's write a lowercase a. A. Now let's write a lowercase I. Nice. Now, what letter makes the sound N? N. Write a lowercase n with me. N. R-A-I-N. Rain! Presto! Wow! Spectacular spelling! We made it rain by spelling the word rain. Let's take a bow.